Introduction to Favicons. Favicons are small, iconic images representing a website or web application. They are found next to the site's name in the address bar and bookmarks folder. Importance of favicons in HTML5. Favicons add a professional touch to a website. They help websites stand out among browser tabs, bookmarks, and history lists. They improve user experience, reinforce brand image, and enhance site credibility. Creating a favicon. Favicons are created by designing an image, usually a logo, and converting it to ICO format. The recommended size for a favicon is 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels. The design should be simple, clear, and visible at small dimensions. Implementing a favicon in HTML5. The favicon image is implemented in HTML5 code by including a link element in the head section of the HTML document. The link element should have the rel attribute set to icon or shortcut icon, and the href attribute set to the path of the favicon file. HTML5 supporting browsers will automatically fetch and display the favicon. Tips and tricks. Not all browsers support ICO format. Providing multiple favicons in different formats like PNG or GIF ensures maximum compatibility. Adding multiple favicon formats to the HTML document allows the browser to choose the most suitable one. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Caching issues can cause browsers to display old favicons. Adding a version query string to the favicons URL can prevent this. Favicons should be included in all pages of a site to ensure consistent user experience. Conclusion: despite their small size, favicons significantly impact user experience and branding. Adding a favicon enhances the professional look of a site. Design a clear and simple favicon, use the correct format and size, include it in all pages, and handle caching issues effectively.